Vinod Pankaj Misra, and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with Chaucer to Shakespeare part 3rd. This is a series of 100 MCQs and part 3rd. So dear friends, these are very important questions of previous exams question paper. तो आपको यदि ये क्वेश्चंस अच्छे लगे तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. Out of the four chief dialects that flourished in the pre-Chaucerian period, the one that became the standard English in Chaucer's time is. These are four options: the northern, second option the East Midland, third option the West Midland, and fourth option the Southern. So which one is the correct option? Chief dialect that flourished in the pre-Chaucerian period, the one that became the standard English in Chaucer's time. The correct answer is option B, the East Midland. Option B, the East Midland. Next question, question number 42. Question number 42. Chaucer used Ottawa rhyme, the 8 syllabic line rhyming couplet in. Again, the question is Chaucer used Ottawa rhyme, the 8 syllabic line rhyming couplets in. These are four options: the prologue, option B the Canterbury Tales, option C the Troilus and Cresside, and option D the Book of the Duchess. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D, the Book of the Duchess. The Book of Duchess is the correct answer. Next question, question number 43. Aristotle's rhetoric open with the statement rhetoric is counterpart of. Again question सुनिए. Aristotle's rhetoric opens with the statement rhetoric is counterpart of. Again four options. Option A ethic, option B dialectic, option C didactic, and option D reality. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option B. Option B, dialectic. Dialectic is the correct answer. Next question number 44. Which of the following arrangement of English work is in correct chronological sequence? Dear friend, फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं आपको बताऊं कि इस प्रकार के जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं और मोस्टली कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे 4 बुक्स दी हुई हैं, 4 ग्रेड वर्क्स दिए हुए हैं: यूटोपिया, डॉक्टर फास्टस, एरोपैजिटिका एंड मैंड. दीज आर 4 बुक्स, ग्रेड बुक्स. तो इनको आपको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में लगाना है, सीक्वेंस बताना है कि कौन सा सही है. तो ऑप्शन ए है यूटोपिया, फिर डॉक्टर फास्टस, देन एरोपैजिटिका, देन मैंड. ऑप्शन बी है डॉक्टर फास्टस, उसके बाद एरोपैजिटिका, उसके बाद मैंड, उसके बाद यूटोपिया. ऑप्शन सी है एरोपैजिटिका, उसके बाद मैंड, उसके बाद यूटोपिया, उसके बाद डॉक्टर फास्टस. एंड द लास्ट ऑप्शन डी ऑप्शन है मैंड, यूटोपिया, डॉक्टर फास्टस एंड एरोपैजिटिका. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ 44? ऑप्शन ए, यूटोपिया, then Dr. Faustus, then Aeropagitica, then Mend. Next question, question number 45. When did the Hundred Years' War, which started in 1337, come to an end? Again question सुनिए. When did the Hundred Years' War, which started in 1337, come into an end? कब ये समाप्त हुआ? तो these 4 option: option A 1451, option B 1450, option C 1453, and option D 1452. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, 1453. 1453 is the correct answer. Next question है 46. Who started the Lollards movement? Who started the Lollards movement? Again, four options. Option A, Bat Taylor. Option B, Wycliffe. Option C, John Gower. And option D, Langland. So, which one is the correct answer according to you? These four options: Bat Taylor, Wycliffe, John Gower, and Langland. The correct answer is Wycliffe. Wycliffe is the correct answer. Option B. 46 का option B. Next question है 47. Who was chosen as King of England around the year of death of Chaucer by the British Parliament? फिर से सुनिए क्वेश्चन. Who was chosen as King of England around the year of death of Chaucer by the British Parliament? These four options again. Option A, Henry V. Option B, Henry VI. Option C, Henry IV. And option D, Richard III. So which one is the correct answer according to you? The correct answer is option C, Henry IV. Henry IV is the correct answer. Again, question number 48 related to chronological sequence. Question number 48. Which of the following arrangement of writers is in the correct chronological sequence? Which of the following arrangements of writer is in the correct chronological sequence? Option A, Lily, Wycliffe, Tennyson, Shelley. Option B, Wycliffe, Lily, Shelley, and Tennyson. Option C, Lily, Shelley, Wycliffe, and Tennyson. Option D, Wycliffe, Shelley, Lily, and Tennyson. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option B. Wycliffe, then Lily, then Shelley, then Tennyson. Question number 49. How old was Christopher Marlowe when he died of stab wound sustained during a drunken brawl? Very important question. मार्लो जी का जो निधन था, डेथ थी, बहुत अर्ली एज में हो गई थी. किसी ने इनको स्टैब यानी कि चाकू मार के हत्या कर दी थी. तो वही क्वेश्चन है. हाउ ओल्ड वाज क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो व्हेन ही डाइड ऑफ स्टैब वुंड sustained during a drunken brawl? The question and these four options again. Option A, 27 years. Option B, 28 years. Option C, 29 years. And after option D, 30 years. So which one is the correct answer? Option 29 years. डियर फ्रेंड्स, कहते हैं कि यदि ये जिंदा होते, तो यदि जीवित होते, तो ये शेक्सपियर से भी ज़्यादा ग्रेटेस्ट पोएट होते. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 49 का C, 29 years. 50. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. Chaucer's The Knight's Tale is a high romance told in. Chaucer's The Knight's Tale is a high romance told in. Option A, Rhyme Royal. Option B, Banja Rema. Option C, Heroic Couplet. And option D, Verse Livre. So which one is the correct answer? The correct option is option C, Heroic Couplet. Heroic Couplet is the correct answer. And 51 question. Marlowe's first original work was. Marlowe's first original work was. These are four works. First one, option A, Timberlane the Great. Option B, The Tragical History of Dr. Faustus. Option C, The Jew of Malta. And option D, The Troublesome Reign and Lamentable Death of Edward II. So the correct option of question 51 is the option C, the Jew of Malta. The Jew of Malta is the correct answer. Next question, question number 52. A stanza of 8 iambic pentameter on the pattern of AB, 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 CC is known as. A stanza of 8 iambic pentameter on the pattern of AB, AB, A, B, C, C is known as these four options. Rhyme Royal, option B Ottawa Rhyme, option C Tennessee stanza, and option D Spencerian stanza. The correct answer is option B. Option B Ottawa Rhyme. Again question number 53, पिक द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस. वही क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर पे ये बुक्स हैं, इनको लिखना है. करेक्ट सीक्वेंस क्या है इनका? ऑप्शन ए लव्स लेबर्स लॉस्ट, ट्वेल्थ नाइट, ओथेलो, द टेम्पेस्ट. ऑल दीज फोर वर्क्स आर ग्रेट वर्क ऑफ William Shakespeare's. Option B Twelfth Night, then Love's Labour's Lost, then the Tempest, then the Othello. And option C Love's Labour Lost, Othello, the Tempest, and Twelfth Night. Option D Othello, Twelfth Night, Love's Labour Lost, and the Tempest. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A Love's Labour Lost, then Twelfth Night, then Othello, then the Tempest. Next question, question number 54. Who is the writer of Frogs? Frogs के राइटर कौन हैं? Aristophanes, option B Aeschylus, option C Euripides, option D Plato. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A Aristophanes. Next question 55. Which of the following arrangement is in the correct chronological order? Again chronological से क्वेश्चन है. डियर फ्रेंड्स, मैंने पहले भी बताया कि इस प्रकार के क्रोनोलॉजिकल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं, क्योंकि इनमें चार बुक्स के बारे में एक ही क्वेश्चन में पूछ लिया जाता है. जैसे यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ए लिखा है गॉर्बोडक, देन टेम्पेस्ट, देन कैटो, देन अ डॉल्स हाउस. Option B Ghetto, A Doll's House, Tempest, Gorboduc. Option C Tempest, Gorboduc, Ghetto, A Doll's House. And option D A Doll's House, Gorboduc, Goto, and Tempest. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A Gorboduc, Tempest, Ghetto, and A Doll's House. Option A is the correct answer. Next question, question number 56. Which one of the following is not a character in King Lear? These four characters are given here. Option A Goneril, option B Regan, option C Edmund, and option D Maria. So which one is not character in King Lear? The correct answer is Goneril. Goneril is the correct answer. Question number 57. Who is one of the two false friend of Hamlet? The Hamlet is a great work of William Shakespeare. So, option Hamlet is the correct answer of Hamlet is the very great work of William Shakespeare. 56 का जैसे कि मैंने अभी आंसर नहीं लगाया, इसका कर लीजिए ऑप्शन 56 का ए गोनेरिल. Goneril is the correct answer of 56. Then 57. Who is one of the two false friends of Hamlet? Hamlet के कौन से two false friend थे? Option A Horatio, option B Iago, option C Rosencrantz, and option D Cicero. So which one is the correct option? Option C. Option C Rosencrantz is the correct answer. Rosencrantz is false friend of Hamlet. Question number 58. What is the mouse trap? Question number 58. What is the mouse trap? These four options are here. A play by Ben Jonson. Option B a play by Marlowe. Option C the name of the play within the play in Hamlet. And option D none of the above. So which one is the correct option? The correct option is option C. The name of the play with the play in Hamlet. Hamlet play में भी एक प्ले खेला गया था, बताया गया था, उसका नाम था जो द माउस ट्रैप. Question number 59. In Langland's Pyres and Plowmen, very great work of Langland. In Langland Pyres and Plowmen, inspires, appears, finally as. These four options again. Option A, charity. Option B, the Holy Trinity. Option C, Jesus. And option D, the Good Samaritan. The Good Samaritan. So which one is the correct answer? जो option D है, the Good Samaritan is the correct answer. Question number 60. It is decided that each Canterbury pilgrim would tell in all. It is decided that each Canterbury pilgrim would tell in all by जॉफ्री चाउसर। कैंटरबरी टेल्स में जो पिलग्रिम थे, तीर्थयात्री थे, कितनी स्टोरी सुनाना था? 1 स्टोरी। ऑप्शन ए। ऑप्शन बी 2 स्टोरीज। ऑप्शन सी 3 स्टोरीज एंड ऑप्शन डी 4 स्टोरीज। सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? 4 स्टोरीज। तो 2 स्टोरीज आते समय, 2 स्टोरीज जाते समय, सो इन दिस वे 4 स्टोरीज। ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। 61. Question number 61. The total number of poems in Shakespeare's sonnet is. Again सुनिए, the total number of poems in Shakespeare's sonnet is. Option A 123, option B 142, option C 104, option D 154. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is 154. And dear friend, this is the last question of this video. Question number 62. Chaucer's Canterbury Tales is a story of. Chaucer's Canterbury Tales is a story of 18 pilgrims. Option B 21 pilgrims. Option C 26 pilgrims. And option D 29 pilgrims. Dear friends, these are very easy question related to Canterbury Tales. The correct answer of this question is option D 29 pilgrims. So dear friends, these are very important questions. If you listen these questions, then you can remember and will be very helpful in appearing when you appear any competitive exam related to English. तो इसी प्रकार के questions के लिए please like, share and subscribe पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश। यदि आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए। थैंक यू।